Hi there, today we're going to do a video unboxing of the Bee Tarot by Christopher Hughes with art by Nadia Turner. And it's more of a semi-unboxing because, as you can see, I've already taken the plastic off, but nobody wants to watch. Ooh, look at that! Oh, full color illustrated guidebook. Ooh, that looks nice. Good start. Bees have always guided the actions of humans, and for centuries so has tarot. Best-selling author Christopher Hughes combines the wisdom of these worlds to produce a powerful deck that gives you clarity and direction. Okay, liking the look of this already very much. And I haven't looked through any of the cards yet, so this is the first time and you get to do it with me. Let's see what it says here in the box. It says, did the bees understand the mystery of the Druids, or did the bees perhaps give them access to those mysteries? Good question. So I recently did another unboxing of the Keeper of the Secret Bees. I keep saying secret, sacred Bee Tarot by Kelly Burton, and that deck is absolutely stunning. I love the artwork. But this artwork, though very different, I feel has more of like a storytelling quality to it. And I'm really excited to explore. So let's just start looking through the cards here. So as you can see, the Fool has an alternative title here, the Keeper. And obviously we see a beekeeper here. And here we have a Melissa Bee Priestess as the High Priestess, which I adore. I'm currently reading a book titled The Bee Priestess, which is really good. It's fiction. Highly recommend. It's by A. Fisher. The Empress is gorgeous here. Look at that. The Emperor. Wow. What a beard. Amazing. The Delphic Bee. Yeah, so the Oracle at Delphi, she was known as the Bee. And bees have always been known to be able to guide us and to act as psychopoms for the souls of the recently departed as well. And here in the UK, there's a tradition of telling the bees when someone we love has passed. And if we neglect that, we do it at our own peril. I'm not a beekeeper. I'd love to be a beekeeper one day. Okay, here, this is an interesting justice card. So perhaps the person who is getting stung here has hurt a bee somehow and is getting some poetic justice delivered. Oh, the Hanged One. 13. Yeah, so bees have always been connected with the underworld as well as with the sun. So they are connected with both life and death, fertility obviously through pollination. And yeah, here we have, oh, this looks interesting. Someone who's just looking to profit from the bees. Yeah, I don't actually eat honey myself because I'm on a ketogenic diet. I might take it medicinally occasionally if I had to, but I would be very careful to make sure that it has been ethically sourced. I don't know, I just think that bees are so precious, you guys. We have to keep them safe and treat them well. Ace of Wands. Really like that Ace of Wands. That's beautiful. Yeah, I love the artwork. Yeah, well done, Nadia Turner. So we can see that it's pretty Rider-Waite other than the bee theme. This is a little bit of a departure because here we see bees defending their hive. Eight of Wands, yeah. The Nine of Wands. Beautiful. The cards have a really nice feel to them. I think I don't know if they're linen cardstock. They feel like they could be. Oh, nice. Ace of Jars, right? So jars have cups have been renamed, as we can see here. And yeah. Oh, that's interesting. So in this tradition of telling it to the beast when someone dies, some people would cover the hive with black cloth, and I think that's what we're seeing here. Oh, I like that. Ace of jars, cups, 9 of jars. That's the harvest of the honey, isn't it? And the 10. Oh, nice. Love the shield. Yeah, another beautiful ace. I love the aces in this deck. 2 of swords. Ooh, yeah, beautiful. Really beautiful artwork. Really looking forward to working with this deck. And Ace of Pentacles, bread with honey. Now that's something I won't be eating anytime soon, but it's yummy. I remember the taste. Yeah. Oh, it's really got a nice warm feel to it, this deck. The artwork is just, it's cozy. And here we've got a wasp, so we've got not just bees, we've got wasps. And this is an ancient depiction of a bee goddess here in the background of this Queen of Pentacles. From somewhere in the Aegean, I can't remember where, but I've seen this before. And the king, perfect. And these are the card backs. So it's quite bendy, this cardstock. How about we pull a card for the collective? See what we get. See how it shuffles as well. Yeah, it shuffles like a dream. So we're not gonna be shuffling for long here. I think that will do. And what message do the bees want to share with us? Oh, the King of Wands. I really love this court card. Oh, it's beautiful. So the King of Wands, the bees want us to have a vision for Mother Earth and how to protect her and to look after each other and to not sweat the small stuff. This King of Wands, he's a visionary, he's a leader, and we all have to step into our power that way this year, I feel. There's a lot going on in 2025, let's just put it like that for now. But yeah, the King of Wands, stay inspired, stay on fire, encourage each other. Great message from the bees. All right, now let's have a quick look at the book. We just flicked through it before. So, leader, honest, active. The King of Wands is the epitome of fire's active powers. He's a person who sits comfortably in his own power and authority. He is full potential, but rarely does he get his hands dirty in implementing his own schemes. Instead, he compels others to undertake those tasks for him. With this in mind, the king is a natural leader and one that is admired and respected. He is honest and trustworthy and loves to see other people succeed. Whilst driven, the heat of his ambitions is not selfish. He is generous with his success and achievement. This is a person who builds others up and encourages them to find their own heat. The king can use his attractiveness to get what he wants. Where the queen is naturally sexually attractive, the king uses that attraction in a different manner. His sexual appeal and attractiveness causes people to be drawn to him. People generally fancy those who carry the King of Wands energy. They are incredibly attractive people. So you out there listening to this, that's you. You're an incredibly attractive person, and don't you forget it. Right. But the king uses his energy honestly and with integrity. Let's see, conclusion. There's some spreads here, that's what I wanted to know. The waggle dance. This looks like a good one. 8 cards. Yeah, the issue, what actions you need to take, what supports you, your anxieties, advice from your higher self, spirit, what no longer serves you, what sacrifices you may have to make, and the conclusion. So that's just a quick little look into this lovely deck and book set. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the other review I did of the Keeper of the Sacred Bee Tarot, if you haven't seen that yet. And if you'd like a reading with either of these decks, hop on over to thetarothive.com and book yourself in. And I look forward to reading for you and see you there. Lots of love.